Hello friends, welcome back to another episode. So in this part I am showing you guys how to draw messy looking hairs. So as drawing hairs create trouble for most of beginner artists, so this is my step-by-step tutorial for drawing hairs. I hope you will like this video. So I had already drawn little outline of hairs with the help of graphite pencil. For making hair strands, I am using charcoal pencil. For this drawing, I am using charcoal powder because charcoal powder is really helpful to cover larger area. We can cover larger area easily with charcoal powder. So I will apply layers of charcoal powder until it gets dark enough. I am making end of hairs using sharp charcoal pencils so that layers look perfect, and I am drawing all hairs towards one direction, like right to left, so that they look symmetric. As I need dark background for this drawing, so I am using charcoal powder to make darker background so that my hair looks highlighted. So for highlighting hairs, I will use mono zero eraser. You can also use eraser pencils, they will work same. I am darkening all shaded parts so that it will look more realistic. Many artists draw each and every hairs, which is also a great method, but it takes more time and work. But I need realistic hairs in less time and less hard work, so I usually cover all area with charcoal and then I give details to hairs. I usually don't draw hairs part by part because I love this method more. I used that method when I had plenty of time. One more tip. If you want to draw realistic hairs in less time, then always try to draw darker background because darker backgrounds will really help to highlight some hair strands by which your hair will look more realistic. At last, I am highlighting all side hairs with mono zero eraser. Mono zero erasers or eraser pencils are best for highlighting hairs. Now I'm drawing little beard also using mono zero eraser. Now I'm giving some final detailing to my drawing so that it could look more hyper realistic. I am drawing some highlighted hairs in some random directions so that it will look messy hairs. I hope you had enjoyed this drawing, and if you do, then please like, comment and share with your friends. that's it for today. In next part, I will show you guys how to make realistic clothes. So please stay connected and thanks for watching guys.